I'm going to take a sighting on that slope, make sure that I'm safe to keep climbing, and that the angle of repose isn't too steep. And now I think it's about 38 degrees is maximum danger zone for avalanches. So we're gonna make sure that it's less than 30. So I've got the inclinometer on my compass, and I'm gonna sight right up there, and you can see, looking at about 20 degrees. So if it was 30, I'd be quite a bit more worried, and I'd probably try and find an alternate path, but 20 degrees, I think it's good enough for me. So it's slightly blustery out, snowing a little bit, but there's blue skies up towards the ridge there. I don't know. This weather is a little bit intense. I'm not sure that I'm super down with it. Okay, so that went poorly. The winds aloft were just too much in combination with the snow. I could barely see, so I was not gonna make it over the ridge in those conditions. And it was too cold for the camera to work, so I wasn't even able to record the trip back down. But anyway, back down now. Heading back towards the car, I think. I could conceivably pitch the tent right here and whatever. I think I'm just gonna call it. All right. So after the only marginally sublethal wind and snow up on the ridge, I made it back here to one of the warming huts, which is good because I need to take care of my feet, get some food, and then I'm gonna roll out.